Students, in continuation of the parts, we are going towards for the photochemistry as a part of the photochemical reactions. One of the reactions, this is the dimerizations. So, what is the condition for the dimerization of the reaction? If we are on the starting reactant molecule or the benzene, so the benzene, it is a reaction intermediate. As you can say, this benzene, it is intermediate. How it obtained? We are having this is that orthochloroamines. This orthochloroaniline, as you can say, 2-chloroaniline is treated with what? NaNO2 and HCl, hydrochloric acid. So at 0 to 5 degrees Celsius. So these types of the reaction, as we know, this well known reaction is called as this is called a Sandmer reaction. Diazotization is takes place here. Diazotization is takes place. This convert into N2 positive and Cl negative, and this Cl. Instead of Cl, as you can say, not only chlorine but also bromine iodine atom also. So this have been represented X atom. First, 2 haloanilines is treated with NaNO2 and HCl, hydrochloric acid, sodium nitrate and hydrochloric acid. The mixture is called as diazotized mixture. This diazotized mixture, it is treated at a 0 to 5 degrees Celsius with cold condition. What happened? It gets converted into that ADC or BDC, as you can say ADC or BDC. So this is called as aryl diazonium chloride or benzene diazonium chloride. So this loss of HCl minus HCl and minus N2, there is formation of what? A bond is formed between the carbon and carbon. There is called as what? Benzene. It is known as benzene molecule. So there is an intermediate. If you are having these two reactant molecule, that is benzene, it contains to each other. This is called as dimerization is takes place. There is a formation of 2pi. This is the condition is what? 2pi cycloaddition reaction is takes place. This is what a cycloaddition is takes place between the 2pi and 2pi electrons, and there is formation of what? A dimerized product. There is what? A formation of dimerized product. As you can say, this is the adduct. Name of the product is called as adduct. So this is one of the reactions, dimerization. So what happen again next? If you have the starting reactant molecule is what? Maleic anhydride. Starting reactant molecule is what? Maleic anhydride. This C double bond O, double bond is here, OC double bond O. The name of the reactant species is called as maleic anhydride. This maleic anhydride is treated is condensed to each other in presence of what? H-nu condition. This is the photolight. Irradiation of the photolight. This is the bond is break by the homolysis. Actually, this phenomenon is takes place. The bond is break by homolysis. These two radicals and two radical species are combined. Here, this radical species are combined, and there is generation of these types of the compound. Here, the same phenomenon is takes place. These two pi bond is break by homolysis. Homolytically bond is break, and there is formation of the radical species. It is what? C double bond O, and this is what? This two carbon atom which contain, this is the radical, this is called as single electrons, and single electron is known as a radical species. So this radical and radicals and combines, and there is formation of the types of the product is what? C double bond O, as it is, there is bond is formed between the carbon and carbon. So as you can say, there is formation of adduct. Dimerized product is obtained. It is called as dimerization of the reaction. Maleic anhydride are condensed or dimerized to each other in photo irradiation condition. Such types of the reaction is called as what? A photo dimerization. So this is called as what? A photodimerization reaction. If I have the starting reactant molecule, another types of the reactant species is here. So this is types of the compound. If you have these types of the compound is dimerized to each other, this is a species which are having the dimerization is takes place. So what happen? This pi bond and pi bond is dimerized in presence of the photolight. There is generation of the types of the bond between the what? Carbon and carbon. Here, these types of the species is obtained. If you are having these types of the compound and this bond is formed between the carbon and carbon, there is a dimerization is takes place, and these types of the product is obtained. So such types of the reaction is called as what? A photodimerization reactions.